Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to reorder pages in Wix 2026. So the first step is log in and open your site. So actually we'll need to go to the wix.com and log into your account, okay? And after that you will need to click my sites option. It's on the top left corner actually, and then select your site. So after clicking on your site you will have two options: Wix editor or editor X. So right here I'm using the Wix editor. So once you get here you will need to click the pages menu on the left hand toolbar, okay? And after clicking it you will see a list of all pages in your site. So in the pages menu, hover over the page you want to move, and as you can see, drag it up or down in the list and drop it in the desired position, okay? So this changes the order of pages in your site menu, like the navigation, okay? And after finishing you will need to go and click on save right here. Then just go with getfreewix.com domain or go with connect your own customized domain. Then just click on save and continue, okay? So actually guys, you will need to drag the pages under a parent page and editor X to create drop downs. And for the hidden pages, reordering hidden pages won't affect the visible navigation. And let's talk about the mobile menu. So you'll need to check the mobile menu after reordering. Sometimes adjustments are needed. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.